What's up guys, this is Shivane, and in this video I will tell you guys how you can fix the problem that your Microsoft Windows Store is missing. So before I begin with the video, I would just like to tell you guys that if you guys encounter any software related problems, then you can just comment down below or DM us on social media and we'll make a solution video for you guys. Now let's begin with the video. So in order to fix this problem, what we'll do is manually install the Windows Microsoft Store on your PC. And to do this, we're going to use PowerShell. So first of all, go to your Windows search and then search for PowerShell. After that, right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator. Once you run the PowerShell as an administrator, I'll link these commands down in the description below for you to check out. You just have to copy and paste these commands and follow the instructions that I'm going to show you. So firstly, just copy and paste the execution policy unrestricted command and then select Y, that is yes, as the option. After this, run the Get-Apppackage Allusers command. And once you run this command, just right click on the top bar of the PowerShell and then click on Edit and then Find. And then type in Microsoft.WindowsStore. Once you do that, you'll be able to find all the details of the Microsoft Windows Store on this list. And here you just have to find the package full name of the Microsoft Windows Store for your PC, and then you just have to copy it. So in order to copy it, just select it and then again right click on the top bar of the PowerShell and then go to Edit and then Copy. Once you copy the package full name, just paste it somewhere for safekeeping and then run the next command, that is .reinstall-preinstalledapps.psl, and here instead of Microsoft.WindowsStore package full name, you paste in the package full name that you just copied. Then once you run this command, you might get some errors. Do not worry about that. That is just Windows being stupid. And once you run this command, then you run the next command, that is Add-Package Register. And here as well, instead of the package full name, you paste in the package full name that you just copied and then run this command as well. And after this command finishes running, then you have to paste the last command, that is Add-Package Allusers Foreach. And once you paste this command, then just run it. And once the process finishes, you're done. Then you just have to restart your PC and check whether your problem is fixed. Now, if your problem is still not fixed and you're still missing Windows Store, you can just comment down below or DM us on social media and we'll make a specific solution video for you. And if this video actually solved your problem, then remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.